Welcome to Billtrust Luminaries. Today we're talking with Abby Zexer, Director of Consulting and Partnerships at Billtrust. Thank you, Abby. Now, how does the Billtrust consulting team help our customers achieve greater returns on their investment in our solutions?
So part of what we do in consulting is approach customers who haven't looked under their hood of their Billtrust products in a while. And so configurations and functionality have changed since time of implementation. And what we want to do is bring to light the new functionalities and features that are available to our customers to allow them to get faster payments, to get more frequent payments, or to encourage more invoices to be paid in one transaction. We make sure that our customers are optimized, that they are getting the most return on investment out of Billtrust products. And we work hand in hand to make sure we understand what our customers' goals are, and together we partner on the solution.
So I know that our consulting team doesn't just wait for customers to come to us. We seek them out. So what are we looking for when deciding which customers to reach out to?
Sure. We are looking at hundreds of customers every day in terms of identifying trends, and maybe customers have a large volume of payments going through our system, but they don't have a lot of automation behind the scenes that are really driving less touch in payments. And so we approach those type of customers on a regular basis and say, hey, if you have time, we'd like to work with you. We'd like to partner with you to make sure that you are getting the most payments in the door as quickly as possible. We work one-on-one with customers to understand their current state. So where are they at currently? What are their pain points? Also, because we understand the system, we can match what their needs are with the configurations behind the scenes that will make them have a better ROI out of Billtrust.
Okay, can you talk about a customer that we've recently helped?
We had a large manufacturing customer come to us and say, hey, something feels off about my payment workflow. We aren't getting our money very quickly. We seem to be off with the inputs and our export timing. So can you look at our overall payment ecosystem and advise us when our bank should send us files, when the exports should be sent from Billtrust and our other vendors, so that we, as a customer, can get our money in the door faster. We did that. The customer ended up removing a 2-day lag in their deposit times. In about a 2-month period, got $16 million in the door more quickly. I mean, just on the interest in that alone, that's a value add immediately.
So we're harnessing all the data that we have across the Billtrust ecosystem to do our consulting. Do we ever give our customers access to proprietary benchmarks that we've created based on our data?
Absolutely. And something that we are embarking on this year is we are looking under the hood and we are showing our customers what we are seeing. So we have a dashboard that we have built, and we are comparing about 30 to 40 key metrics against our customers' peers in their same sub-industry with our customers who are on their same ERP as their peers. So we want to inform our customers how they're doing. How are you doing on your average number of transactions? How are you doing on the number of payments included in one transaction? How are you doing in terms of your e-presentment rate, or how many touches does a payment need? And so our customers will get a sense of, okay, I'm lagging behind on this criteria, or I'm doing well over here. Our customers crave information and they crave partnership. And I think through this dashboard, that's what we're showing our customers, is that we are partnering with them. We are investing in their success. And we have a team of folks that can fix the things that need some improvement. So we are proactively reaching out to our customers, informing them if they have a problem, and showing them this dashboard to say, hey, look at your peers in the same industry. You could be doing X, Y, and Z a little bit better.
Thank you so much for talking with us today, Abby. How do our customers get started with the Billtrust consulting team?
Reach out to your account representative here at Billtrust, and they can pull in the appropriate folks on the Billtrust team and the consulting team to help you get the most ROI out of Billtrust products.